Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Nehal Yadav. I'm studying my BE in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. My USN is 1BE23CA033 and my section is TAPE. So subject title is Introduction to Civil Engineering. So subject code is BESCK204A. And today's topic is optimizing landfill site selection, key factors and considerations. So what are the steps or considerations required for the landfill site selection? So we'll see. So introduction. So before going into the presentation, so we'll have a brief introduction on the selections of this landfill site. So in this presentation, so we will explore. So what are we are exploring? So we will explore the key factors and considerations for optimizing landfill site selection. So what are the factors which will affect or which will which will reduce or which will have impact on the landfill site selections. We'll be discussing about those. So we will discuss the environmental, social and economic aspects that play a crucial role in this process. So first, environmental impact. So understanding the ecological footprint and potential hazardous waste implications is vital. So factors such as proximity to water bodies and wildlife habitats must be carefully evaluated. So so for the landfill site selection, so first the land should be properly equipped with a neat environment and with not a bad smell. So if there are waste components in the base, so there will be no proper strong base. So the ecological footprint and potential hazardous waste implications is so vital. So and in fact water bodies also affect the landfill selection. So if water is pure, so then landfill selections will be good. So regulatory compliance. So compliance with local regulations and zoning laws is essential. So understanding the legal framework and obtaining necessary permits are critical steps in the site selection process. So there will be a set of rules and regulations for the regulatory compliance. So for the landfill selection. So legally we need to follow those and make a proper legal landfill site. So those are very critical steps, or else those may lead to a problem when there will be a check by the government. So this is a very most important factor which we can consider or which is very essential. So next is community engagement. So how will you engage the community? So engaging with the local community and addressing their concerns is crucial. So factors such as noise pollution and odor control can significantly impact community relations. So what are these exactly mean? So community engagement. So how will you engage with the community? So engage and addressing their concerns is crucial. How are these? So factors such as noise pollution, which will be of high decibels, which is very effective or which will be very harmful for the ears, and odor control. So the smell control should be prevented so that the community should be very clean and so that the surroundings also will be clean. And this is a very most important factor for the landfill selection also. So this is called a community engagement. So next are geological considerations. So assessing the soil composition and geological stability is essential to ensure the long-term viability of a landfill site. So the soil composition. So the soil composition is a very most important aspect uh, of the landfill site selection because it is the base where the landfill site or which will be used for agriculture also the plants grow, and the base should be a very strong one. So in India there is a very big, a very large fertile soil which is available. So this is the most important. So factors such as land subsidence and seismic activity must be considered. So the fertility of the land is also very crucial for the selection of landfill site. So this also plays a major role in the selection of a landfill site. So this is called a geological considerations. So next, economic viability. So what do you mean the economic viability? So, analyzing the cost of land acquisition, transportation expenses, and waste management infrastructure is crucial. So, what are these? So, cost of land acquisition, transport expense. So the land is very costly in nowadays. So, the cost and the transportation expenses and waste management infrastructure is crucial. So, evaluating long-term operational costs is key to ensuring economic sustainability. Long-term operational costs, so which are long-term, which will be used for many years, will be very a key to ensuring economic sustainability. So this is called economic viability, where land acquisition is very costly and transportation expenses are also very costly. And waste management is a very most important aspect for the landfill site to be more economic. So technological innovation. So exploring advanced waste treatment technologies and landfill gas recovery systems can enhance the sustainability of landfill sites. So expanding advanced waste treatment technology. So nowadays water is wasted or it's polluted more by the people. So what are the advanced technologies we can use? So there will be landfills can enhance the sustainability. So the purified water can enhance the sustainability of landfills. So incorporating innovative solutions is essential for minimizing environmental. So wherein we need to reduce the amount of power, or we need to use biogreen, so green gases which are not harmful to the environment, such as solar energy and wind energy. So these can be used so that we can treat the waste treatment technologies very efficiently and without any excess energy usage. So this plays a very crucial role in technological innovations. So risk assessment. So what do you mean by a risk assessment? So conducting a comprehensive risk assessment to identify potential environmental hazards and public health risks is critical. So what are these? So environmental hazards are very dangerous. So which will be in very polluted manner. So conducting a comprehensive risk assessment. So we'll be conducting a risk assessment which is used for the proper landfill selection, which will be a comprehensive one to which to identify potential environmental hazards, whether they are present in that or not. And public health risks is critical. So there is all very critical. So mitigating these risks is essential for responsible landfill site selections. So this is also a major part of the landfill site selections. So, stakeholder collaboration. So, collaborating with government agencies, environmental organizations, and industry stakeholders is essential. So, building partnerships can lead to more informed and sustainable landfill site selection decisions. So, collaborating with government agencies, which can help even the government agencies and environmental organizations and industry stakeholders, is very essential so that there will be a help of each other. So, this can build partnerships can lead to more informed and sustainable landfill site selection decisions, so which will be more efficient and which will be more helping manner, so that there will be a limited of risk, or which will be helpful for the mutual relationship between these organizations. So best practices. So adopting best practices in landfill selection, such as site monitoring and, and environmental impact assessments, is crucial. So monitoring the site, like during a period of time, frequently or regularly, that is the most effective way of landfill site selection. So that if any waste hazardous or anything is there, so there will be a ways to control it or measure it. So continuously improving processes is essential for sustainable waste management. Continuously, which will be advanced technologies are improving processes is essential for sustainable waste management. So case studies. So examining successful landfill site optimization case studies can provide valuable insights. So learning from real world. So learning from real world examples can help identify effective strategies and potential challenges. So case studies were also very important, so to know the landfill site selections at what area and what extent and what polluted, or we need to consider all these facts. and potential challenges. So, conclusion. So, optimizing landfill site selections requires a holistic approach that considers environmental impact, regulatory compliance, community engagement, and technological innovations. So, collaboration and continuous improvement are essential for sustainable waste management. So, collaboration and continuous improvement, which will be frequently uploaded or frequently advanced way of thinking thinking to improve the landfill site selection is essential for sustainable waste management. So these are all the factors which are used in landfill site selections, which is the most, which are these are the key factors to see a landfill site selections. So optimizing landfill site selection requires a holistic approach. So, what do you mean by this? So, this means a frequent and regulatory matter which considers environmental impact, the impact of environment, regulatory compliance, and community engagement, which are very useful to this landfill site selections. Thank you.